In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send mass notifications in Smartsheet so you can keep your team informed without manually messaging each person. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to create notifications. Then, click the automation menu at the top of the sheet. Next, select Create Workflow to start building an automated notification process. Choose a trigger for your workflow. For example, you can send notifications when rows are added, updated, assigned, or when a specific date is reached. After selecting the trigger, add an Alert Someone action. This is what sends the notification to your recipients. Now choose who should receive the notification. You can notify specific contacts, people listed in a contact column, or multiple stakeholders who have access to the sheet. To avoid overwhelming users, consider adding conditions to your workflow. For example, only send notifications when a task status changes to blocked, high priority, or completed. You can also customize the notification message so recipients immediately understand what requires their attention. Once your workflow is configured, click Save and enable the automation. From that point forward, Smartsheet will automatically send notifications whenever the selected conditions are met, helping your team stay updated without constant manual communication. That's it. You've successfully set up mass notifications in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.